We're down here at Stingray Chevrolet, Plant City, Florida today. I want to show y'all this beautiful 2014 Chevy truck. This is the brand new Chevy 2014 crew cab sitting here in front of us. We put a lift kit on it. I'm going to take a quick walk around and show you how beautiful a truck this is. This truck here is available at Stingray Chevrolet, Plant City, Florida, exit 22 right off of I-4. Zoom in and check out those nice wheels and tires. This is a brand new 2014 model, and as you can see, this is a four-wheel drive 14. It's a beautiful truck. It's for sale right now at Stingray Chevrolet, Plant City, Florida. We're the big store on I-4. Come see us.